Thalain uba Ardent meneh kejing yang kebujat session yang ke Surkar MDA kamtam le u speaker bat ya Chief Minister jong kejela u Konrad Sangma halor kejing bom nyai baik kerukom kondong ya ke election MDC hapo JHADC hak ba ulong baki don sibun ki polling station ki ba masule don bor di kinong yalam senong mat babun kinong tebut kila hak ban su IT baik ya ipik joki saya kita kinong yalam senong bat bekila syaban penduk no yang kahok joki kum kinong tebut bat labu dak jikli ke bakam khor persya yu Chief Minister jong jela Konrad Sangma mat ulong hatu kup Chief Minister badon ke jingkit kali ke jela barokawai uhun mo ba un sytia suk haba utip ba kita kinong song senong ju ila syak no ban penduk yu kahok joki ke bakidei ban yo bat na kaliang jong presiden jong voice of the people party ba Ardent milar besai mat ulong ro ba na kaliang kinong tre jong party jong na jante hill kila pha iki FIR siki police station re ulong makim simkam ai ru am bat komjuro la kandom ya uspkar jong ka assembly hadin ba ulong ba por jong kelakut bat ba Ardent ulong balada pemailat yang begini keren ha por ke bebiang ka bhai ye begin te na de jan lumar ka bayong na sintur jengi bat begin sus ngap kat ba ong mapi
Khynniuh East out of 780, imagine what kind of an election is this. 780, 778 go to one person, sponsored, supported by the village leaders. And out of 872, 862 again went to the candidate supported by the village leaders. So where is the free and fair election? People were asked to surrender their epic to the village leaders. One of our polling agents in Maya Club, Nartiang constituency, was abducted for many hours on that day. And another fellow in Shiliang Mintang constituency was taken by these opponents. They were about to throw him from the bridge. And how can you say that there is a free and fair election, sir? And I have with me also a copy of FIR. There are many, in fact, FIR which we have complained to the police department, and I'm telling you, as a party who represent the voice of the people party, we will not sit idle, we will not leave the stone unturned till the people of Giant Hills are getting the opportunity to exercise their franchise freely. I'm asking this to the Chief Minister of the state. I'm not asking to Mr. Konrad Sangma as an individual, but as the Chief Minister of the state. He is not only the leader of the treasury bench, sir. He is also our leader and the leader of the state. Can he sleep peacefully when he knows that his people cannot exercise freely their franchise in our state? So therefore, sir, I strongly object this paragraph mentioned in this address. Sir, this is just one. Let me read out this FIR submitted by the people who suffered from the high-handedness of these people in the village. To the Superintendent of Police East Giant Hills District, Khynniuh, complaint come first information report. Respected sir, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally complain and report a distressing incident that occurred on February 21, 2025 during the JHADC election in Thalain village. At approximately noon, I, Mrs. Fairleo, Nok Dumai Simply, being a polling agent of the VPP party on that day, found myself threatened by certain people for stopping them from attempting to proxy vote for legitimate voters. The atmosphere was tense, with heated exchange escalating into threats directed towards me and my family. They made menacing remarks indicating they would forcibly evict my family from our home in the village, a blatant violation of our rights and a clear affront to the JHADC Act. Furthermore, I must bring to your attention a subsequent attack on my house that occurred on February 24, 2025. I became the target of a violent mob at our residence in Thalain village. I have strong reasons to believe that the same individuals who threatened me were responsible for assault. I kindly urge you to investigate these incidents and take appropriate action to ensure the safety of my family and uphold the electoral process in our community.
Honourable Member, the time allotted to you is going to be up. Please kindly wind up.
Yes, sir, you can do, since I have already expressed that it would be fair. So I've just
I
submitted.
have already expressed my inability to
Sir,
comply with your
yeah,
request.
if this is the case, that means we belonging to this bench will have to sit quiet. Maybe from tomorrow and just tie up with a black handkerchief. Let us, because there is no point. So many things, sir. This address, sir, is a 23 pages. How would it be fair for the members belonging to the opposition to get 10-15 minutes only? If that is the case, I stop, sir.
We should be very fair to each and everybody.